Right, so what ingredients we got then?
We've got 6 eggs,
6 eggs.
tablespoon of full fat milk,
Nice.
2 slices of thick butcher's ham,
Got a red from the butchers, yep.
salt and pepper,
Yep.
and about 140 grams of just normal cheese, which we're going to grate.
Yes.
First thing is to preheat the oven to 160, 180,
Maybe it was a 180. We're going 180.
and then just a tiny little bit of spray olive oil inside a large muffin tray.
Okay.
And please, you don't want them to stick. So, by the way, we're making savoury egg, cheese and ham muffins.
Muffins, just like grating.
Yes, please.
And what size grate do you want to
Do the small because then it will
find this one, yeah?
the fine one on the side. Then it will hopefully melt
Okay.
more even.
Don't watch my fingers doing this.
Okay, so that's that bit done. So whilst you're doing that, I'll pop the 6 eggs into a bowl.
Mm-hmm. They're just sort of like medium egg, aren't they?
Yeah, just medium 3-round eggs, and then add salt and black pepper to taste.
Looking good.
Give that a bit of a white start to start. Yeah.
What's the eggs?
Beautiful.
We just show it to the cameras now, see what it
I don't know what
is.
beaten eggs look like.
Just beat the eggs, yeah?
And then 1 tablespoon of full fat milk. You can also use cream, depending on how healthy you want to be, but full fat milk is always best. Mix that in. Leave that for a moment, and then we're going to.
So that's started wrong, yeah?
That's basically what you need, is an omelette in a muffin form. I'm just going to take my pan and just pop it in the batter.
Yeah. So do you need them?
Chop up into these tall squares.
Yeah, you've got some fingernail in the cheese,
I know we all need to have extra fibre, but
yeah.
that's a little bit too much.
Yeah, but
I
too
like
much.
it. All the ham all diced up, so add that straight in.
Nearly there on the grating.
Excellent. It's supposed to be grating, you're not eating it.
Oh, I'm not eating any of it.
Yeah, I can see that you are. Right, let me see how you go in the cheese. Right, I think that's probably more than enough. That's probably more than we're going to need, to be fair. So, just grab a nice generous handful and mix that in. So if you want to be extra healthy, you can also add in some spinach, like straight from the fridge, like washed straight from the fridge at this point. That's quite nice, it's good way to get some extra fibre in. Just like cheese and ham. These are good as a snack or breakfast. I'm using a large muffin tray, so I would say just one at a time.
I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll stick it to cheese.
So I'm going to add a little bit more cheese because I like cheese. Okay, so yeah, let's move it. Mix all in big giant omelette.
Finish that, eat a bit, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I did like that.
Just did that right thing.
Now, listen to check a bit. If you want to, you can put this into a jug and then pour it in. I'll probably spill it if I put it in.
You're going to freehand, didn't you?
So I'm going to freehand it with my ladle. And I've got 1, 4 ladle. And each of the cups. Go back and add a bit more.
Can you get a spoon out? You've got it, yeah?
Yeah. So, literally going to add a bit more. Some are going to be bigger than others. There you
I love big ones.
go. Nobody's perfect. I'll put my tray onto a baking tray just so I don't spill it everywhere. But that's how we should look. And now I'm just going to pop it straight in the oven for, I'm going to say, around 10 minutes and give it a check. Some are bigger than others, so some are going to cook better than others. And then the way that you check is with a skewer in the middle. If it comes out and it's clean, then you're pretty much done. This is what we're working with. They're looking good.
It goes up a little bit.
They've risen up.
Risen up, something.
I mean, that big one feels like it could do with a little bit more. So I am going to pop them back in for another 3 to 5 minutes. Just, you see, it's a little bit. I mean, there is oil content in the cheese, obviously, so that's why. But
Still a bit wet, isn't it?
a little bit. So I'm going to go for another 3 to 5 minutes. See that? Nice and risen up even more. Let's go back in for the skewer test again. And I think that that looks pretty good to me. Excellent. So the best thing to do now, I think, would be to wait a few minutes, because that's really hot, before we take them out. Hopefully they haven't stuck. Doesn't look like they have, so that's good. And then we'll just pop them on a wire rack.
Can we loosen them up,
Cool. They're already loose, but it's very hot.
Yeah, it's a bit warm,
So that's why we're going to leave them. It's not my first rodeo.
isn't it? Isn't it?
Okay. Right.
Can you mark it and go around here?
I should be okay. Right, okay. Right, so now they're cooled down enough, I think, for us to be able to take them out. I think we're just going to be able to pop them out nicely. There we go. It seems very steamy hot still, but beautiful. And the good thing about these is you can eat them hot.
Smell amazing.
But you can also have them cold as well. So they're really good for little lunchbox snacks.
Look at that.
Really uneven, just adds to the homemade charm. But yeah, these are really good snacks. They fill you up because obviously you've got eggs, so you've got a good amount of protein in there. Cheese for flavour, ham for flavour. But yeah, we'll just leave them to cool now and we'll give them a taste in a bit.
Can we go then? Look at that.
Packed with ham and egg and cheese.
3 ingredients.
3 ingredients. Cheers.
Cheers. Ching. Mm.
That was good.
Oh, good.
Very good.
You really touch your hand, it's so hot.
Mm-hmm.
That's real butcher's ham.
Lovely.